Hello guys, this is MabbyCBJ here, and today I'm reviewing the Whole Numberblocks reading program. Hello guys, this is MabbyCBJ here, and today I'm reviewing the Whole Numberblocks reading program. So with this you get these 3 magazines here, like this one from 1 to 5, this one 6 to 10, and this one from 11 all the way to 20. You can also get a box of little number block toys from 1 to 10. And you get a sheet of stickers too. So I'm going to show you them. See what they look like. I'm going to open them up. So these are what the sticker sheets look like here. So you got this one for the first one. See, it looks like this. Some other ones here, like you've got these ducks. It's like from Tic-Tac-Toe. Oh look, squareys there. Got these food. And number blocks 2 to 5. And they got this one, which is for magazine 2. Yeah, so like at 6 to 10 here, like you got these funny shapes here. And those ones. So it's got these ones here. Oh look, you got these shapes too. Some dice. Oh, look, that one's called a Nonagon, that's a Decagon. Get that played as well. And then this is for the final magazine from 11 to 20. It's got all the numbers here, like you've got 18, 19, 17, 16, 14, and 13. Like 19, look, the crazy eyebrows. Looks like a step shape. On the back here, they've got some football shirts, like yes and no's. Lots of rectangles of 12 and some balloons. And a Step Squad special sticker. And then you got these, like a sheet of golden stars. So this will show you like what you... So if you can complete all the pages in the magazines, you'll earn yourself a golden star. Pretty cool. They got the mass programs, it's just all about it. And they got this, which is the certificate, like number blocks. I did it. Like you can write your name here, and it says you are a number champion. I can do maths with the number blocks. It's just getting better and better. Yeah, so that's all the sticker sheets they have in there. And I'm going to put the ones for the magazines. So I'm going to put this one in here. Then I'm going to put the number one, this one for number 2 in here. And then final one in here. There we go. So now I'm going to move these to the side. And now I'm going to show you the number blocks. The number blocks toy collection, which you get all click and count blocks from 1 all the way to 10. So you get 55 blocks to play with. So let's open it up. So these are all the blocks. Now I'm going to build them. So here are all the number blocks from 1 all the way to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And also with this, you get like 2 sticker sheets. So you got this one from 1 to 5. And you got this one from 6 to 10. So you can use these to, like, if you lost the old ones, then you can always get new ones and place them with these. Yeah, so that looks cool. So you get 55 blocks with these. And you can count them however you like. Like, you can count them in odds and evens. Like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, so I definitely recommend getting all of these number blocks. It'll be really fun to play with your little kids. Yeah, so those are all the Numberblocks figurines. Now I'm going to make them standing tall for you to see. Stickers up here, into one side. Let's do it in backwards. So here's what they look like, standing all tall, from 1 all the way to 10. So they look like a step shape. And altogether they make 55. So those are all the Numberblocks toy blocks. I'm going to move them out carefully. Now we go on to the magazines. So this is the first one. This will show you about Numberblocks 1 to 5. Let's take a look inside. So you got Welcome to your Numberblocks Mass Program. This will show how it works. And here are the stickers. To this side. So now we have to stick on the Numberblocks and their numberlings. Just like this. That's her numbering. And that's 2 blocks. Good. So that's all the Numberblocks. From 1 to 5. And got all about Numberblock 1. So you can colour each thing here that starts with 1. Like 1 sun, 1 umbrella, and 1 ball. Trace the number 1, and then circle it. You can hold up 1 finger, and it will show you the fact file about her. They got Story 1. This is like the first Numberblocks episode ever made. Because it's all about number 1 and her wonderful world. And you can colour some stars as well, stars in as well. Then you got One Wonderful World, so you can sing 1 song, One Wonderful World of Me. So let's click on the things here. There. And you can draw 1 fish swimming in the sea. And you got all about Numberblock 2. So you can trace it and write it. And you can do some number magic here as well. Like 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 here is 2. So stick it right here. And you can stick a pair of anything. You can stick a pair of something. Then you got 2 goes to town. So you can colour each thing that you find 2 of. Then you got 2 shopping lists there. I got all about number block 3. So you can trace the number and circle it. A triangle has 3 sides. Draw around the things that are in 3 groups. Fact file there. Making 3. 3 is juggling. Stick on the objects to help her make 3. So like 3 balls, 3 apples, 3 hats, and 3 crowns. They got 3 in a row. Play this game with a friend. Of course it's called tic-tac-toe to get 3 in a row. They got story 3. So it's like when we first meet number block 3. Whole story there. Then you got number block 4, who's a square, of course. A square has 4 sides. Trace the number and circle it. And then you can stick on her pet called Squarey. Squarey chewed through 4 holes in 4 tablecloth. You can use 4 places to stick her, to cover it, the holes. And then you got circle what shape the plates are. Square. So you got a number blocks counting poster here. This is like all the number blocks from like 1 to 5. These fun shapes down here too. Then you got Fun Fruit Factory. So this will show you like how it splits at the top and how it splits until the bottom. Guess Who. Use your number blocks on the page to guess who. So like you can guess the number blocks and guess what number blocks is doing which thing. Then you got number block 5. So you can draw a hand here and then stick on 5 things on each plate. Then you got 5 little ducks. So this is like a cool song here. Click on the 5 little ducks. They got the Number Block Express. So this is like another story here about the Number Blocks Express. They need to get it before the train runs into the barrier, before it comes off. They got My Maths. This is just for you. And they got Number Jumble. So you have to trace them to get all the way through to 5. They got Number Magic here. So like 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 plus 1 plus 2 is 5. And they got Big Tum here. See, this is called Big Tum, like 2 plus 1 equals 3, and like I know that 2 plus 2 equals 4. So you can guess which one's in his tum. Fruit count. So they're at the market here, so you have to draw lines to first color it, and then you have to trace it to the right number of things they need. Then you got Who's Next. So it's like from all 3 go, they need to figure out who comes next, smallest to biggest. They got Blockzilla. So you got learn about greater than and less than Blockzilla. Circle here. They got What's Wrong. See, that's 4 feels bigger and 5 feels a little short. And then you got a part to me. So this is good. It shows you like how you make 5, 3 and 4. Like 1 is a part of me and 2 is a part of me. 1 is a part of me and 3 is a part of me and 2 is a part of me and 5 is a part of me. And they got cut out and keep counting cards. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yeah, so I think you have to lay them on the ground. And when you see the right number blobs, you can say snap. And the back is exactly the same. So that is the first Number Blocks magazine, and with 1 to 5. So now I'm going to show you the second one, featuring 6 to 10. So here's magazine number 2. So let's check it out. Again, welcome to your maths program. With the stickers here. Got the shapes as well. So we need to make 6 to 10 here. I'm going to speed it up. go. They got number 6. This is a story page here. And then you got all about her. So you can draw lines to see which dice is the same. And then trace on the number and circle it. And stick a dice number to the one it matches. Roll the dice. Then you can color 6 in. Find the pattern. So like color 2 hearts to show me the pattern. And I got Pattern Palace. So you can see what comes next. So then you got number block 7, who's very lucky. Who's like all the colors of the rainbow. Because the rainbow has 7 colors. Trace the number and circle it. And then trace the number again. 7 stripes. Color the rainbow and count up to 7. Count the trees in the apple. And count the apples on the floor. Color the other side of the rainbow. And then you got all about number block 8, or octoblock. Write and count octoblock's legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Post around the number and draw around the number. And we got these funny shapes as well. But you have to take the odd one out because this one is 9. And this one is 7. So they're not all 8 at all. Octoblock to the rescue. This is another story page where Octoblock's kids are trapped by the terrible twos. And then they meet a new character called Octonaughty. And then you got in Flatland. So this is what I'm talking about. You've got all the different shapes here, like circle, square, got triangles, 3 sides. And they got take the shapes that have 4 sides. You've got square, diamond, parallelogram. And then you've got rectangle. This one's called a dart, and that's a trapezium. And then stick on the other shapes here. That's all the shapes. There you got another counting poster. This will go from the first one that you did. So you got all the number blocks from 6 to 10. You got the funny shapes here too. Then you got all about number block 9. He's a bigger square than 4. Trace around the number and circle it. You can make your number block 9 in different shapes like this, like 8 plus 1 and 4 plus 5. Got square numbers. This will show you all about 4 and 9. We got to the moon. Use your stickers to fill in the gaps to build a tower to reach the moon. This is what I'm talking about. And then we made it to the moon. And then you got 0 the hero. So like, if you take 1 away from 1, it's nothing, it's 0. How to trace it? They can sing 0 song, which of course 0 means nothing. And then you got all about number block 10. 1's 10 means 110, and the 0 means nothing more. Count all the bees and butterflies, trace the number, and circle the number 10, count 10 fingers, and then count yours. We got let's make 10, so like lots of different ways to make 10. For like 9 plus 1 or 1 plus 9. Like they're different. They're all different because they're like opposite way around. They got finger blocks, so you have to put your hands here, and then you have to draw. So you have to draw around your hands, then you have to color them right here. Like all the fingers, all the colors from 1 to 10. Like the same colors as the number blocks. They got who's missing. It's big time again. So you say, yum yum, who's in my tum? You have to use that number line to help you. Which one Big Tom has eaten? So that would be 3, 5, 7, and 10. They got block play. So look all the funny shapes that the number blocks have made. You have to use your toy blocks for this. Odds and evens. So look at this. When number blocks stand 2 blocks wide, they're even tops. And the ones that have have another block up are called the odds. That means they're not the same at all. They've got the scoreboard here to show which one has won. Double up. So you've got which number matches another to make another even number. Like 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, and 4 plus 4 is 8. And you can draw your favourite number block in the magic mirror. They got my number blocks week. It will show you all about what you do 1 week a year. And then and on the final page you got 1 to 10. So you have to draw a line from 1 all the way up until 10. Then you got dominoes, so you have to cut them out. Then you have to lay the dominoes and find the one that looks the same. Yeah, so that looks like a fun game to play. So that is the second Number Blocks magazine, featuring 6 to 10. Now onto the final magazine, which shows number blocks 11 all the way up until 20. So here is the final magazine. This one's 11 to 20. So let's check it out. Okay, you got the mass program. These are the stickers here for this magazine. And here's the back. So let's take the number blocks 11 to 20. And that's all the number blocks from 11 to 20. Then you got all about number block 11, who's a football player. He's 10 and 1. So then there are 11 players in a football team. So you need to score a goal from 1 all the way to 11. I love football, says 11. They have to stick on the football shirts from 1 to 11. I mean, just stick up the ones that are missing. All about 12. 12 is what shows an array display. What's an array? Her blocks are in columns and rows. That's called an array. So you've got 3 columns and 4 rows. 12 is 10 plus 2. I have to draw a column here, like a rectangle. Rectangle rush. So you have to stick on what rectangle goes in what 12 is making, and then you have to put it in the right square. You have to put it in the right one of these to know which rectangle she's doing, like 3 by 4. And then 1 by 12. They have to stick a yes or a no to see if they're rectangles. These 4 are, but these 2 aren't. They got block star. This is like a story when 12 saves the block star. Yeah, so she has to collect a new battery before it goes down, before it smashes into Numberland where they live. They got answer the questions here as well. I got all about number block 13. So, like, every time he says his name, he always falls apart. So then, oh no, 13 has fallen apart again. I have to color 3 blocks to make him back. Trace his number. Then you got number block 14, who's a skater. Trace the trail to number 14. Then draw lines to see what doubles make these numbers. Then you got skater dude. So you can see that 1 plus 1 is 2. Double 1 is 2. Double 2 is 3. No. Double 2 is a 4. Double 3 is a 6. Double 4 is a 8. Double 5 is a 10. Double 6 is a 12. And double 7 is, of course, 14. So you can cut them out up there. And then sing 14's song. They got number block 15, who's a step shape, a super special secret agent. Trace her number, and then you have to get the steps in here right. So, they got a number blocks poster from 1 to 20. Got to stick on your wall. Then got step shape, so you have to stick on the balloons and count how many there are in step shapes and tell which one is missing. Number block 16, who's a big square. Trace her number and then colour the squares purple. Square clock game and the wall, no round things. all about number block 17, who is an artist. So color. So 17 always paints things, of course, 17. We got number 18, which is a super speedy rectangle. So you have to go bump, 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 zigzag, zigzag shape. And then you got number block 19, which she can become a square or a rectangle, but she can make lots of different crazy shapes. You got like the elephant, fish, horse, I don't know what, and a long tail, I suppose. You have to draw a line to see what she's making. Then you got multiplication. So this is like the times table. So this is the times sign. And this is like a quicker way to make 16. Or maybe, yeah, this is like a faster way to make 16. Like 8 times 2 equals 16. And they got 3 times 4 equals 12. It's got many number blocks. And then you've got what's wrong. So this is some more investigation. So look, 15 is double step shape. And 19 feels complete. 14's numbering is strange. And 12 doesn't feel like a super rectangle, because she's got 2 on top. They got numberlings. Look at this. This is 11 to 20, standing tall. Very tall. And then finally at the end, we got number block 20. 22 says he's made of 2 tens, and the 0 means nothing more. 20 can split into 2 tens and dance to the 2 tens tango. And then 2 would like to be 20 when he grows up. And then you've got, trace the number there. And they got division. This means divided. So you've got like this, like, you have to divide the shells and gems. Cut those out. And they got this one like 12 divided into 3 equals 4. And they got we love to dance. So you can color and sing along to the light goals, to the lyrics of the song. And then finally at the very end here, you've got cut out and keep number cards. So you've got fun facts about 1 all the way up until 20. Show you if they're odds or evens. Show you some fun facts about them. And that is the end of the final Number Blocks magazine featuring 11 to 20. So that is the whole Number Blocks whole entire reading program. And then when you're done, you can write your name here like you're a number champion. Like me, Matthew CBJ. Yeah, so I definitely recommend getting this reading program. It will be great for your little kids as well. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Please help me with your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. It will help me a lot to raise this channel. I'll leave a link in the description for more Number Block videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.